Welcome back everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video about the Volkswagen GTI. Today's video is going to be about the 5 things I very much dislike about my GTI, and I'm going to keep this as relevant as I can to every stock GTI, slightly modified GTI, so we can all just dislike together. If you don't dislike some of these things, do let me know in the comments, but I'm gonna get right to it, save you guys some time. The first thing I think all of us can agree when you have this the Volkswagen GTI Mark 6 is the center console space. If you guys ever open this up and ever actually use it, you'll understand what I mean. There's literally like no actual storage room. You can't put any size phone in here anymore. Like, I don't even think, I know mine is. Mine, I have a 7, so it fits. That's it. iPhone 7 barely fits. The new Pros and 11s and 10s, they don't fit unless you have a small one. This contraption right here for sound media in, dude, I have never seen anyone use it. Plus, no one has this iPhone anymore. We're all Lightning charger or that other new one. Just a complete waste of space. I hate the center console so much. I know some of you guys were able to like take it out and actually like make room to actually have it usable, which is actually really cool. I just haven't. That leads me on to the next one. I know on the Mark 6 GTI, every Volkswagen I've owned or know friends of friends of friends and whatnot who have a Mark 6 GTI that is up there in miles, they always have this problem, and I'm having it right now, is the headliner right now, it starts to fall off. It always does this. The headliner just starts to come undone, lose its glue adhesive seal, so you gotta get it redone, which is just so annoying. Everyone I know has had this problem at some point with the Volkswagen GTI. I don't know if you guys have had it, but oh my gosh, it happens so much. And I'm gonna do something fun with mine, just not yet. You guys will see it in another video, so don't worry. So that's the next thing I truly do not like about the Volkswagen GTI. The headliner always coming down. Comes down at least once in the owner's life. Not the owner's life. Comes down at least once in the car's life. We all know that. Well, the next one is going to be tire pressure monitor light. So you're gonna have the tire pressure light up here. You guys can't see it. I don't have the car on because if you don't already know, my bag is blown on that side, so I can't drive it currently. Sad day, I know. Is this tire pressure light, as soon as your tire gets low, it'll pop up and then you fix it, but it won't reset itself. You always have to go into the glove box and press the button. You gotta hold the button for 5 seconds to reset the tire pressure every time the light comes on. Like, why can't you do that on your own, like every other normal car with the tire pressure monitoring? That, of course, is something else I very much dislike about the Volkswagen GTI, is having to always press reset on the tire pressure. So, that was the third one. I'm gonna give you 2 more so I don't bore you guys. The very, very familiar timing tensor failure. On the 2010s all the way to 2012-ish, you're not gonna have the revised timing tensioner, however you guys want to say it. I'm saying it wrong, sorry. Timing tensioner, which leads to chain failures and a whole lot of not fun stuff. And that is something I very much dislike about Volkswagen GTI in the very early days, is because they should have had this fixed, but they decided to wait until like the last year of the Mark 6 to fix it. And with the last and final 5th thing I do not like about the Mark 6 GTI is going to be a big doozy if you guys want to do your own upgrades, and this one is for the headlight. In order to get the headlights out, you have to take a whole bumper off just to get to the last bolt down here so you can get the headlight out. They don't have like a 1, a 2, and like a 3 right here so you can access it when you take it off. No, they have to put it like literally, I think you can see it, it's like right there, sitting under the bumper. So you have to take the whole bumper off to get the last bolt. Those were just a few things that I hate. I wouldn't necessarily hate, so that I very much do not like that Volkswagen did to the Mark 6 GTI. If you agree with any of this, please do leave a comment down below, leave a like on the video, and if you guys have any suggestions or anything or just want to talk, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and see you guys on the next video.